Jam, how do you communicate regularly with your clients? How do you call them? How you message them? Because email takes forever. Duh, we have messaging apps. Don't you know that that's all free? Well, technically not everything's free, but there are free versions that we maximize. But Jam, what are those? That's exactly what we're gonna talk about in this video. Let's move forward. Hey guys, it's Jam from Barangay VA University and welcome to our latest series called Oh, my tools! Where I will talk about the common or basic tools freelancers or remote workers use for their clients. Messaging platform, very important that you need to be able to, explore different messaging platform for you to be able to communicate with your client. It's very important if you have a client, you communicate very well, and communication is a two-way thing, just like, relationship. Do you know what the relationship is? I don't know what you're talking about, Jam. I don't know anything about relationship. Sure. But it takes two to tango, guys, when it comes to relationship and communication. And the foundation of a good client relationship is actually communication. And it takes two to tango, everybody, no? You communicate to the client and the client communicates to you. Always like that. Okay, if it's not like that, leave your client. Sure. And the slowest way to do that is snail mail. Snail mail, second to the slowest is email. Okay? And it's annoying. It's super Tagal. In Tagalog, in English, we say Tagal, it's slow. Yeah. But the fastest way to actually reach them is through the messaging platforms. Jam, what are the examples of the messaging platforms that we need to learn? Don't worry, everybody. I got you. There are two common platforms that our clients abroad use. Okay? These are Americans, Canadians, who else? Who else? All the yons. Asians like us. But yeah, one of that is WhatsApp. Okay? If you don't know what WhatsApp is, why? Why don't you know that? Charing. What's good about WhatsApp is number one, it's free. Number two, you can do communities. Number three, okay, the chat rooms are very easy to share through links. But what's not good about it is that it has limits when it comes to the number of members in the group. But it's very popular. And if you're not 300 people in the team anyway, so why would why would you bother? Why would you panic? Even my local clients in the restaurant, we use that. We have different group chats per department and per project. And it will not look scattered because you can put it in one community. And what's good about it is that you can add a broadcast or announcement channel in there. Right? So that's what's up for you. Number two is Slack. Second to the pinaka-famous. Second to the most famous messaging platform is Slack. This is more on business. This is more on Teams. Okay, the alternate of that is Teams, MS Teams. We'll talk about that later. But Slack. Okay, with Slack, it's not free, but there's a free version, and there's no limit when it comes to members. But what's not good about it is that since you're getting the free version, all your history after 90 days will be gone. So it's not good for keeping messages or keeping documents, but it's very nice. Okay, you can actually arrange all the channels in one platform. All the channels are arranged. Okay, and then you can actually have like a to-do list there. You can actually have like a board there. It's very, very easy to use at the same time. So that's why every business, usually every client uses Slack. I use Slack a lot. I even use Slack more than WhatsApp. Yep, Slack is very popular. The alter ego. The other side of Slack, the competitor, is it a competitor? I don't know, but it's Teams. It's Microsoft Teams. You know Teams? Yeah. It's very, very nice also because you can, do everything is in Teams already. You can share the documents. It's in Microsoft 360. You can share documents. You can add project group chats. You can put timelines in there. Very diverse. You can do video calls in there. Very diverse, guys. So that's one of the things you need to learn as well. But not everyone uses it. I only know a few friends of mine who uses Teams for their clients. Usually it's Slack. So because most of them are using Google Workspace. So yeah, that's one thing you can also learn on the side. But the fourth one is actually Discord. But this is more of for communities. This is more of for clients who are content creators, gamers. They usually use Discord. I don't know if you guys have Discord, but Barangay VA has a Discord. There's the audio channel, a gaming channel. There's like you can arrange the channels as well on the side. It's a very very diverse. You can, if you know how to maximize the bots at the same time. It's a very very nice but complicated to use. Very overwhelming for people who doesn't know Discord that much, because there you can stream and everything. Very very max na platform. So it's something that you guys can also maximize or learn. Maybe if you're a content creator, whatever. If you want to do online meetups, if you want to do like online co-working, you can use also Discord. And lastly, we have Telegram. Okay, we love Telegram. It's like, it's like WhatsApp but more secured, and it's very protected, guys. There's an option wherein you can disable screenshots, downloading, forwarding, and it's very secured and protected, everyone. But I don't usually use that. I only know a few clients who uses this. But yeah, if you know, you know. You love Telegram. Sure. So these are the messaging platforms that you guys can maximize everybody, because okay, most likely once you get your own client, your client will, use one of these platforms. And it's good while it's nothing super complicated, while it's easy for everyone. It's still good that you know how to maximize the features, especially if you're using Slack. If you're part of the challenge, the ultimate Zero to VA challenge, guys, of Barangay VA, then you'll be able to experience like, Slack, WhatsApp, Discord, all these platforms. The rest I didn't add because it's not super popular. But yeah, I will link the ultimate Zero to VA challenge here in our Notion board. So if you don't have the Notion board yet, why? Why? So that's it, everyone. Focus on these tools for the week, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.